What's up? In this video, I am going to show you a quick way of converting the Excel data to JSON. So this website is called tableconvert.com. It's a very useful, powerful web tool of converting from Excel, SQL, XML to JSON. Okay, so I have some data here. Select, Ctrl+C, copy, and back to the website, Ctrl+V, paste. And down here, you see the website has already generated the JSON data here. However, the data type seems not correct. For example, the ID should be numbers, not string, as well as the milliseconds. So what we can do is, on the left side, check this parse JSON. And here we go. All looks good now. So that's it. This website is very useful, powerful. Hope that helps. See you next one.